Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce you to our presentation on ERPNext for asset management. Today, we'll explore how ERPNext can help you unlock the full potential of your assets with a powerful open-source solution. We'll cover how it streamlines asset tracking and maintenance, especially for small to medium-sized enterprises. We'll also look at how it supports the entire asset lifecycle, from acquisition to disposal. So, let's get started and see how ERPNext can make a difference for your organization. At Citran Technologies, our main goal is to drive success for our partners and help improve their profitability. We do this by providing solutions that are built on transparency, honesty, and in-depth analysis. We believe that understanding your business deeply is key to making better decisions. Our approach is centered around the transformative power of ERP ecosystems. These systems can truly change the way a business operates, making processes more efficient and integrated. And we're committed to making these powerful solutions accessible, especially for small and mid-sized businesses. We know that these companies can benefit just as much from ERP systems as larger organizations, and we want to make that a reality. So overall, our focus is on creating value through honest insights and accessible technology, helping our partners grow and succeed in a competitive landscape. Let's talk about asset management and why it's so vital for our operations. Effective asset management helps us run more efficiently and control costs. It's all about carefully managing our physical assets, things like equipment, machinery, and vehicles. By tracking their location, current status, and ownership, we can make sure everything is compliant with regulations. This also helps us reduce downtime, so our assets are always available when needed, and we're using them as effectively as possible. When we manage diverse assets, from factory machinery to company vehicles, it's important to keep a close eye on each one. Real-time tracking allows us to know exactly where everything is and whether it's operational or not. This ongoing monitoring helps us stay compliant with regulations and minimizes costly equipment failures or downtime. At the end of the day, the goal is to optimize asset utilization. By doing so, we can lower operational expenses and get the most value out of every asset we own. All of this ties back to our overall theme of improving efficiency and driving better operational outcomes across the board. So, what is ERPNext exactly? Well, it's a business management software designed to help companies stay on top of their day-to-day operations. Whether you're tracking inventory, managing finances, handling projects, or keeping your customers happy, ERPNext has you covered. Think of it as the central nervous system for your business, bringing all these different parts together seamlessly in one place. Now, you might have heard that most ERP systems can be clunky, expensive, and pretty frustrating to customize. That's where ERPNext stands out. It's open source, which means you have the flexibility to tailor it to your specific needs. Plus, it's cloud-ready, so you can access it from anywhere without the hassle of complex installations. The key takeaway here is that ERPNext offers the power and functionality of a full enterprise system, but without the usual headaches. It's built to be flexible and accessible, making it easier for your business to grow and adapt. This aligns perfectly with our overall theme of leveraging innovative, user-friendly tools to transform business management. Now, let's take a closer look at the core features of the ERPNext Asset Module. This module offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help you manage assets efficiently and accurately. From the moment you register an asset, it allows for detailed record-keeping, including key attributes like purchase date, serial number, and warranty details. This level of detail ensures you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Next, the module supports categorization and grouping, which means you can organize your assets hierarchically. This makes managing large inventories much simpler and also improves your reporting capabilities. You can easily find and analyze assets based on their categories or groups. Another valuable feature is barcode and QR code support. This allows for quick and accurate identification and tracking of assets, saving you time during audits or daily management tasks. Just scan, and you instantly access asset information. Finally, the module automates depreciation calculations and integrates seamlessly with your financial records. This not only ensures compliance, but also simplifies accounting processes, giving you a clearer picture of your asset values over time. Overall, these features work together to provide a powerful, integrated approach to asset management that aligns perfectly with the theme of streamlining operations and improving oversight. Now, let's take a closer look at asset lifecycle management in ERPNext. This feature supports every stage of an asset's journey, from the moment you acquire it all the way through to disposal, providing continuous visibility and control throughout. First, we have procurement and acquisition. ERPNext offers streamlined workflows for purchasing new assets and registering them efficiently, helping you manage this initial phase smoothly. Next is assignment and transfers. You can easily track which assets are assigned to specific users or locations, and also handle internal transfers seamlessly, ensuring everyone knows where assets are at all times. Then, there's maintenance and repair history. Keeping a comprehensive record of all scheduled maintenance and repairs is vital for tracking asset performance and planning future upkeep. Finally, we come to disposal and write-off. When an asset reaches the end of its life, ERPNext helps you manage the disposal process and handle any necessary financial write-offs, making sure everything is accounted for properly. Altogether, this lifecycle management ties into the broader goal of optimizing asset utilization and ensuring transparency at every step. Now, let's look at how proactive maintenance scheduling and work orders can really transform asset performance. By using ERPNext's advanced scheduling features, we can plan maintenance activities ahead of time, which helps us prevent unexpected breakdowns and downtime. This proactive approach keeps everything running smoothly. One key aspect is preventive scheduling, where we set maintenance tasks based on usage hours or specific time intervals. This way, we're not just reacting to problems, but anticipating them before they happen. Automation plays a big role here too. With automated work orders, the system can generate tasks automatically when maintenance is due, ensuring timely assignment without manual intervention. This keeps the workflow seamless and efficient. To maintain consistency and quality, we can use predefined templates and checklists for common maintenance tasks. This standardization helps teams perform tasks uniformly, reducing errors and improving overall reliability. Finally, notifications and alerts are crucial. They keep us informed about upcoming maintenance needs, allowing us to plan better and avoid last-minute surprises. All of these features together really support our goal of optimizing asset performance and minimizing downtime, which is at the heart of our overall maintenance strategy. Now, let's talk about how ERPNext's Asset Management module seamlessly integrates with your finance and inventory systems. This integration is designed to give you a complete, real-time view of your operational and financial health, which is essential for making informed decisions. One key feature is the automatic posting of asset depreciation to the general ledger. This means you don't have to manually track or update depreciation figures. It's all handled automatically, ensuring accuracy and saving you time. Another important aspect is linking asset purchases directly to accounts payable and inventory records. This tight linkage helps maintain consistency across your financial data and inventory management, making audits and reporting much smoother. Tracking maintenance costs is also simplified. You can accurately record expenses related to labor, parts, and services, which helps you understand the true cost of maintaining your assets over time. Finally, the system supports robust budgeting and cost control measures. This ensures you can plan effectively and keep your asset-related expenses in check, contributing to overall financial stability. All these features come together to support a comprehensive, integrated approach to managing your assets, aligning with our overall goal of streamlining operations and enhancing financial visibility. Now, let's take a look at how powerful reporting and analytics can truly transform your asset management. With ERPNext's comprehensive reporting tools and customizable dashboards, you gain actionable insights into both your asset performance and your overall financial standing. For instance, one of the key metrics we see is asset utilization, which here shows a 95% rate. That means you're making the most of your assets, minimizing idle time. Real-time dashboards are a game changer because they give you an instant view of asset status and performance, helping you make quick, informed decisions. When it comes to maintenance, detailed reports on maintenance history and costs can really help identify areas where you can save money. Here, we're looking at potential savings of around $20,000. Reducing downtime is critical, and with these metrics on asset utilization and downtime, you can continuously improve your operations. Here, we see a reduction of about 12 hours. And finally, compliance readiness is simplified through customizable reports, making it easier to prepare for audits and stay in line with regulations. Altogether, these analytics tools empower you to optimize asset performance, cut costs, and stay compliant. Integral parts of ensuring your operations are efficient and sustainable. So, why should you consider ERPNext for your asset management needs? Well, first of all, it offers a centralized, scalable, and cost-effective solution. That means you can streamline your processes and really boost operational efficiency across the board. One of the biggest advantages is having all your asset data in one place. This leads to improved decision-making because you're working from a single source of truth. It's much easier to see the full picture and make informed choices. Another key point is cost reduction. By using ERPNext, you can minimize unplanned downtime, which is crucial for maintaining productivity. Plus, it helps lower maintenance expenses over time, saving your business money in the long run. Then there's enhanced visibility. ERPNext gives you comprehensive oversight and control throughout every stage of your asset lifecycle. You can monitor, manage, and optimize your assets more effectively. And last but not least, there's the community support. ERPNext benefits from a vibrant, active open-source community that's constantly working on improvements and new features. This means you're always connected to ongoing development and support, making it a reliable choice for your asset management needs. Overall, these features come together to help you run a more efficient, cost-effective, and well-informed asset management operation. Let's take a moment to look at the asset lifecycle. This is your go-to place for all information about assets, centralized in one spot. Once you've purchased or received an asset, the lifecycle begins. It's designed to include every detail you might need, like the current status of the asset, who is responsible for it, and where it's located. It also covers important aspects such as warranty and insurance details, depreciation schedules, and how the asset is transferred or moved over time. Whether it's being sold, scrapped, or just moved to a different location, all those actions are tracked here. The key point is transparency. Everything about your assets is clear and easily accessible. That clarity helps you manage assets more effectively and make informed decisions. This fits into our overall theme of streamlining asset management, making it simple, transparent, and reliable for everyone involved. Let's talk about asset inventory. ERPNext offers an integrated inventory system that makes managing all asset information straightforward and efficient. Whether you're dealing with batched items or serialized assets, you have the flexibility to choose what works best for your operations. One of the standout features is the ability to scan barcodes using your device camera. This means you can perform searches almost instantly, which speeds up workflows and helps you make quicker, data-driven decisions. You can easily access details about asset availability, their current locations, and more, all at your fingertips. And here's a smart part. When you purchase an asset, the system automatically creates a record for it, pulling in relevant details from the item master. This automation reduces errors and saves time, ensuring your asset data stays accurate and up-to-date. Overall, this integrated approach ties directly into our broader goal of streamlining asset management and improving operational efficiency. When it comes to purchasing assets, the process is quite straightforward. You can procure assets either through purchase receipts, which are also known as goods received notes, or via purchase invoices. The system then takes this information and automatically creates a record for the asset based on the details stored in the item master. This automation helps streamline asset management significantly. Additionally, you can easily update important details like depreciation methods, depreciation schedules, insurance information, and more with just a few clicks. This flexibility makes managing assets much simpler and more efficient. Overall, asset procurement has been made much easier with a one-time setup. Once you configure it, the system takes care of the rest, making the entire process seamless and less time-consuming. This approach aligns perfectly with our goal of simplifying asset management and improving operational efficiency. Now, let's talk about selling assets. With just a few clicks, you can easily sell assets that you no longer need, making the process quick and hassle-free. One of the biggest advantages is that you don't have to worry about maintaining accounting books manually. The system automatically creates all the necessary journal entries for you, which keeps everything seamless and efficient. This integration really streamlines the entire asset management process, saving you time and reducing errors. It's all about making your financial operations more straightforward and connected to your overall business management. Let's talk about automating asset depreciation. When we automate this process, it really removes a lot of the manual hassle involved in recording depreciation entries. Instead of doing these calculations by hand, you can configure depreciation schedules for different categories of assets. This means you set up the rules once, and the system takes care of the rest. What's great is that the software can automatically calculate the depreciation amounts or the dates when depreciation should be recorded. And it even creates the necessary accounting entries for you. This automation not only saves time but also reduces errors, making your asset management more accurate and efficient. Overall, integrating automated depreciation into your asset accounting ties perfectly into our goal of streamlining financial processes and gaining better control over your assets. When you're done with an asset and no longer need it, you can easily scrap it with just one click. It's a straightforward process that saves you time and effort. And the best part is, our asset management software takes care of all the accounting entries automatically. This ensures that the entire process stays smooth and accurate without any manual intervention. This feature really highlights how our system simplifies asset management and helps keep everything organized and efficient, fitting perfectly into our overall goal of making asset handling seamless and reliable. Let's talk about asset reporting. This feature is all about helping you identify bottlenecks in your operations so you can address issues before they escalate. It also allows you to monitor performance across various assets, giving you a clear picture of how things are functioning in real time. By leveraging these insights, you can significantly improve your service delivery, making sure your team is operating efficiently. What's great is that the system comes with out-of-the-box standard reports, which means you get ready-to-use insights right away. But if you have specific needs or want to dig deeper, creating custom reports is easy. This flexibility empowers you with data-driven analysis, so you can make smarter decisions based on solid information rather than guesswork. Overall, asset reporting ties directly into our goal of enhancing operational efficiency and service quality. It's about giving you the tools to see the full picture, act quickly, and make improvements that matter. Thank you for your time and attention today. If you have any questions or want to get in touch, please feel free to reach out. You can visit our website at Citran Technologies.com to learn more about our services and solutions. Alternatively, you can email us directly at connect@citrantechnologies.com. And if you prefer calling, our contact number is +91 862 396 7094. We're here to support you and look forward to connecting soon.